Hey, it's Raven Tactical here. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad here. What we're doing today is we're doing our first year of maple syrup, and we're doing the evaporating section part of it. We built basically a wood stove out of a 55-gallon drum. The kits, they sell them at Thiessen's, Amazon for about 80 bucks. It comes with a door, the legs, and then it comes with the piece to attach a chimney stack on it. Real simple to do, real easy to do. You can probably do it in about a couple hours. I think I took my time, and it was maybe about a half a day to put everything together. The next part you have to do is you have to cut out a section so that you can put your basically serving trays on here, or steam trays on here, and then you use that. It's real easy to do. Cut it out, looks nice. As you're doing it, the paint kind of burns off. And then the sap is basically evaporating all the water from it. First year doing this, so we're going to see how it goes. Obviously the back went a little bit hotter than the front, so we're actually checking this out to see how it works. Obviously doing this the first time, we're going to find out what doesn't and what does work for us, and then modifications for next year. Well, ready for next year, I'm going to attach some angle iron. I'm going to walk around the back here. I'm going to attach some angle iron on the back, and then use that to brace a much taller chimney stack. So that way it's, you're getting a lot better flow. I'm going to put about a 10-foot stack on it. So that should be kind of interesting. It's kind of simple, and I can quickly kind of walk you over to where our bucket setup is. So if you just walk with me here, we're doing a real simple tap. The first initial kits came from Amazon. So we have this kit going into this bucket. We got about 20 buckets. The lids kind of suck because they're 4-gallon buckets. And the kits are okay. I would say the kit overall is good for starting out, but the hose is a little shorter than you would like. So we also went out and purchased some stuff from a guy who does maple syrup, and they're upgraded to a line system. And we got their kit. It's a bigger tap and twice the length in line. So additionally, that line works better. So either way, if we're starting out, Amazon's not got too much investment for you. As far as overall cost, I would say we got about 10 bucks in the barrel, 100 in the kit or less. I think the kit was 60 bucks, 20 bucks for the tap, and 20 in barrels, or 20 in buckets, and then another, I would say 10 or 20 bucks in lids. So for right under 200 bucks, you can start getting maple syrup. It's a sugar product, so if you're prepping, it's a way to sweeten your food, way to have a glucose bump. The second thing is you can also barter and trade and sell it. So very cool. Raven Tactical up.